Hey everyone, so as you know, while driving or just being out on the road, there's a great importance of actually having really high quality and bright lights. And that's why I wanted to thank this brand for sending me their LED lights in exchange for an honest review. And I have to say, these things are pretty awesome. So again, whether I'm driving or whether there are other drivers out there on the road, very important to be able to both be seen as well as be able to see other drivers. So these are incredibly helpful. I'm going to show you everything that you're going to be getting with the box. So first off, you're going to be getting a pair of gloves you can wear during installation. It's very important. You're also going to be getting a backup O-ring. You're going to be able to get kind of an instruction guide of how to do it. And then of course, you're going to be getting the most important thing, which are the lights themselves. Now, as far as installation for me, I have a 2017 Honda CR-V. So this is going to be the light on this side. This is the driver's side that I'm going to have to pull out and replace. Should be fairly simple. And again, the light is going to be much better. And then of course, here on the passenger side, this is going to be the other light right here, which of course is by this reservoir. So it might be a little bit more difficult getting this out of the way, but all in all, fairly great installation process. Should be real easy to install. So again, you're getting everything that you need here. You're going to be able to be and feel a lot safer out there on the road. So again, this is a fantastic product and one that I would definitely recommend.